We've got a brand new emulator called the EmuCoreV. With this emulator, you can play your PlayStation Vita games right on your phone. So in today's video, I'll show you the full setup, the best settings, and also test multiple games for performance test. So make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Alright guys, first open the EmuCoreV emulator. On the initial screen, tap the Next button. Then tap Next again and once more to continue. Now you need to add the base firmware. For that, simply tap here, and the firmware will start installing. Once the process is complete, close it. Next, we have the firmware update package, added in the same way as before. Now you need to choose the package folder. To finish the setup, tap on the option to select a folder. Open any folder, tap Use this folder, allow the permission, and then tap Get Started. Your emulator setup will now be complete. Now, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap on Install Game. From here, you can add your games in zip format or .vk format. So, I've added Uncharted here. Now, it's time for the important settings. For that, tap on the three lines again and go to Settings. First, in the General tab, enable PSTV mode. Then, go to the Graphics tab. Here, set the renderer to Vulkan. The system GPU driver works fine, but you can also tap on Install Driver and use a custom GPU driver for better performance. If you're using a Snapdragon device, you can select the Turnip driver. I've also added a custom GPU driver here. Scroll down a bit and enable high accuracy GPU mode. Next, go to the Overlay tab. Here, you can enable the Performance Overlay, which shows FPS, GPU, and RAM usage. Now, move to the Controls section and keep everything as it is. After that, go to the System tab. Here, enable the FPS hack. You can also turn on Turbo Mode and Boot Apps full screen. That's it, guys. I've only applied these settings and left everything else as default. Now, let's move on to the game test. First, I tried Uncharted Golden Abyss, and as you can see, the graphics look really good. You can adjust the touchscreen control layout since the default layout isn't that great, but overall the game is easily playable, and the performance is quite good. You might notice some graphical glitches here and there. In some games, they are minimal, and most games run without any major issues. Even in Uncharted, there is a slight graphical glitch, but overall performance is still very good. Apart from this, I've tested several other games as well. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay tests. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.